Welcome. This exercise will guide you through 5 minutes of meditative breathing. You don't need any experience or anything at all, just yourself, your curiosity, and a few minutes of your day. We'll be talking to you the whole time. Let's begin. Turn off any ringers and switch your mobile phone or tablet to airplane mode. Loosen any restrictive clothing and sit upright in a stable and comfortable position. If you need to, pause this recording now until you're ready. Now let your eyes close, or leave them open with a soft focus. You want to be relaxed but alert. Begin breathing deeply through your nose. Deliberately take a few deep breaths. Fill your belly on the in-breath. Let it empty on the out-breath. Let your breath be slow and deep. Let the out-breath be at least as long as the in-breath. Now let go control and just breathe naturally. Let your breath determine its own length. Let it find its own rhythm. Now, deliberately place your attention just inside your nose. Feel how the air is cool going in and warm going out. Cool in, warm out. Cool in, warm out. Keep your attention just inside your nose where you most feel your breath, and simply watch and feel your breathing. Be unbiased. Be curious. Notice anything at all about your breathing. If the breath is short and shallow, feel and notice that. If the breath is long and deep, feel and notice that. Notice if it stays the same. Notice if it changes. When you lose your focus, try not to judge or criticize yourself. Simply notice that your mind has wandered, and gently return your attention to your nose and breath. Notice your two selves in all your breathing. You are the one who breathes and feels the breath. You are also the observer. Have your experience and observe yourself having it at the same time. This exercise is almost finished. Know that you can repeat it as often as you like, anytime and anywhere, even for 1 minute. Even for one breath. Now, when you are ready, slowly open your eyes if they are closed. Notice how you feel compared to when you started. Appreciate your efforts. Whatever you were able to do, or however your mind wandered, the time you took today itself is your success. Remember that your ringers and mobile devices have been turned off. We hope you have enjoyed this guided breathing exercise.